So, what are some of the questions that you ask a new client, and why are some of these questions so important? That is what I'm going to talk about today, my friends, and stick around to the end because I'm going to give you a resource that will be super helpful in your concierge business. Hey there, my friends. This is Kelly Schaefer, the creator of the Concierge Academy, where I help local businesses market more successfully so that they can get more clients, make more money, and have a greater impact in their local community, doing things that they love for people that they absolutely adore. Okay, so one of the things I want to talk about today, and I'm actually going to do a screen share to give you a little bit of a behind the scenes look at one of the documents that we use when we are onboarding new clients. And I'm going to go through it in a way so that you know why we ask certain questions. Plus, I'll be giving you access to a resource at the end of this video. But my friends, if you are new to our channel, please make sure that you hit that subscribe button and hit that like button so that you don't miss any other upcoming episodes. Okay, so new client. You go out, you meet the new client, you do all the things, right? One of the things that you want to do is you want to have an intake questionnaire. It's as simple as asking them their name, their address, their email, their phone number. But there are also a few other things that are really important that you ask, and that is what I'm going to share with you right now. So I'm going to do this little screen share here, and I'm going to share with you a copy of an actual document that we use in my business. We've been using this document since, I think, since 2013, I've been using this document, and it's gone through a couple iterations since then. But so in essence, we have a new client form. We ask their name, their address, home phone number, cell phone, work phone, any of the information that you need in case you need to get in touch with your client and you need a different form of communication, right? So sometimes some of our clients, they work in big buildings and they're not allowed to have their cell phones on their desks, and we need to have a work number or an extension number to access them, right? So you always want to have the best possible phone number. Having their cell phone, now, of course, today is a lot different than it was when I started my business many, many, many years ago, but it's really important to have a cell phone, obviously, because this way you can have quick communication with your clients. Especially, I will tell you that the time I use somebody's cell phone the most is when I'm in the grocery store. Yes, in the grocery store, because they'll ask you to get A and you can't find A, but then you find B, which is a great substitute, and you want to text and you just want to make sure. So always have access to a cell phone number as often as possible. Of course, we ask for their birth date. Why do we ask for their birth date, you might ask? Because this way we can send them, it's part of our client care process, we send them a happy birthday card every year. The other thing that we ask is, how did you hear about us? How did you hear about us? Why do you think that this question is so valuable? And it's one that most people forget to ask, which is why I have it on our intake form so that we specifically remember to ask people, how did you hear about us? When you find out how they heard about you, then you know where your marketing is working. Was it your website? Was it the Chamber of Commerce? Was it a referral? If it was a referral, you want to make sure that you record that and you want to send that referral a thank you card. Most people overlook how valuable it is to send a thank you to a referral source. Something else we ask are general likes and dislikes, candy, flowers, so forth and so on. Why? Because if you want to surprise your client with a small gift or a token of appreciation, you aren't guessing. You actually have some ideas of things that they like and dislike. We have a username and password, which has to do with a platform that we used for years to track all of our clients. Also, family members or roommates who may reside with them. And of course, pets. Why are pets important because if you are going into a home and you want to be aware whether or not to be careful about a fluffy running out the front door. If you've ever been a cat owner, you know cats like to dart out when you are least expecting them to. So, of course, this helps you be more prepared. And when you have a team, it helps your team be more prepared to serve your clients as well. So, are they simple questions? They are. But are they valuable questions? Very much so. And then, of course, how do they plan on paying? Cash, check, or credit card? All of our clients today, all but a few, pay by credit card because it makes it really super easy for us to process their credit cards on a monthly basis as part of their services with us. So that was what I wanted to share with you all today, is some of the questions that you want to ask when you are onboarding a new client and why these questions are so important. It's more valuable than just knowing what to ask, is understanding why, which is why in my coaching programs, I go deep into all of the whys behind all of the strategies and marketing that we do. Now, as promised, if you are new to the industry and you're just getting started, perhaps you're not sure what other forms to use when you're getting started, or the marketing materials to use, or what to put on your business card, or maybe you're not even sure about getting insurance. Below in the description, I am going to put a link to what we call the Concierge Starter Kit. And in the Starter Kit, we have dozens of resources that will help you get yourself up and started so that you can get out there as soon as possible, helping those clients, making money, and building the business that you dream of building. All right, my friends, I hope this video was valuable to you. And until next time, bye for now.